Points in 3D space. Points in 3D space are defined by their coordinates along three axes, x, y, and z. Each point is represented by an ordered triple x, y, z, where x, y, and z denote the distance from the origin and along the x, y, and z axes respectively. History of 3D space. The history of 3D space is a fascinating journey spanning various fields like mathematics, art, and technology. Progress of 3D space. The progress of 3D space technology has been remarkable, from advancements in 3D printing to develop in virtual reality and space exploration. Types of 3D space: cylindrical, spherical, Cartesian. Vectors for direction and movement. Vectors are commonly used in physics to represent both direction and movement. History of vectors, direction, and movement. The concept of vectors, direction, and movement has a rich history that spans centuries. Progress of vectors, direction, and movement. It typically involves tracking changes in position or motion. This progress can be visualized by plotting vectors on a graph, where the direction of each vector indicates the movement from one point to another. Types of vectors, direction, and movement. Ito naman yung mga vector, velocity vector, acceleration vector, force vector, at momentum vector. Example of vectors, direction, and movement. Kung ikaw ay nakatayo sa point A at yung kaibigan mo ay nakatayo sa point B, ang vector mula sa point A papunta sa point B ay kumakatawan sa direction at galaw na kailangan mong gawin para marating mo yung kaibigan mo. Matrices for geometric data manipulation. Matrices play a crucial role in geometric data manipulation. History of geometric data manipulation. History of geometric data manipulation traces back to ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Babylonians, who used geometric principles for surveying and construction. Progress of geometric data manipulation. Geometric data manipulation involves various techniques such as transformation, rotation, scaling, and deformation to alter shapes and structures in computer graphics or modeling. Types of geometric data manipulation: translation, rotation, scaling, reflection, projection, at intersection.